Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is nice to be here to meet you. My name is Inong Dartia, a postgraduate student majoring in English education at University of Indraprastha. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to deliver my presentation about the challenging of the teacher in this digital era. The title of the presentation is Redefining the Teacher's Role in the AI Era, from the knowledge dispenser to the learning architects. Can you imagine a classroom where AI can do everything we are doing? Yeah, something like grade the paper, personalizes the lesson, and even tutor our students. And then, where does that leave the teachers? Let's check it. Look back to our roles as a teacher. Teacher usually deliver the content, like planning the lesson and then explaining the concept using teaching aid like textbook, slide video, or experiments, and then adapting the different learning style and level, assess the students' performance, and provide emotional support. But in the era of AI, many of these tasks are being automated. Yep, just like the teacher, AI can grade assignment instantly. And then AI generate personalized learning path. I agree that AI is fast, scalable, and tireless. But remember, it lacks one thing. It is about humanity. Let's see for the detail. Mentor and guide. Mentors go beyond academic instruction. We have to build their curiosity, not only for the happiness, not only for enjoyment. There are so many things can be explored, but our students sometimes stuck in one point. And the last is act as role models, showing how to balance technology with humanity. Of course, as the critical thinking coaches. What happened? Okay, these educators sharpen students' mind by teaching them to evaluate information critically, especially in a world flooded with AI-generated content. The last thing that critical thinking coaches we can do, guiding students to connect ideas across discipline and form original insight. Of course, this role is vital in preventing passive consumption of information and fostering active, thoughtful engagement. Learning designer. As learning designer, we are as architect of modern education. The teachers can select the integrated AI tool that enhance learning rather than distract. Design the activities that are personalized, interactive, and relevant. Challenge the teacher will be faced. What are they? For example, lack of training in AI tools. Besides lack of training, we may be faced fear of being replaced. Oh my God, Don't be scared of that kind of replacing. I will prove that teachers are not able to be replaced. And then the next challenge, ethical concern around data and surveillance. Unequal access to the technology. How to empower the opportunities? First, use AI to reduce administrative workload. And then focus more on creativity, empathy, and human connection. By creative, and then collaborate with AI to personalize learning. This is the one thing we must do. Personalize the learning. And the last, lead conversation about digital ethics and responsible AI use. Yep. The concept, will be useless if there is no action. So, next is a call to action. Here, we must invest in teaching training. Yeah, AI policy making, always changing. And then promote AI literacy for both teachers and the student. Yep, without literacy of AI, how can we use AI? Remember, we are human and AI robot. So, human touch is in ours. Teachers are human and AI is robot. So, what to do? Teachers are the compass. And then for all of them, let's lead the change. Come into the conclusion. The conclusion for my presentation are: the first, transform the landscape of education as the task of AI. So, as a teacher, as a human, we have to do the human touch to our children. And then teachers become mentors. As mentors, we can do many things. And then teacher learning designer, combined with the AI, integrated, collaborate. The last is equity advocates. Equity advocates, more about how to endorse them in responsibility in generating the AI with a good behavior. And the last, AI as a tool and teacher as the compass. AI as a tool and teachers as the compass. I think that's all about my presentation today. I want to ask you to remember this quote: AI may drive the engines of tomorrow, but teachers will always chart the direction. Okay, thank you for today. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.